my name is Deepika. Welcome back to my channel. So here we are with another vlog today. So we were thinking we should go for a little trip on Sunday because tomorrow is a labor, public holiday. So we should do some little fun with the family. So at the end we decided we should go to the Diamond Harbour. Yes, so I'm gonna show you all the things, amazing things which gonna happen today with me, Shivai, and with my husband, Prab. Hi! Say hello! Hello! किसी बच्चे के साथ स्पेशली हम ट्रैवल करना चाहते हैं, बस सारा टाइम उसको यही बोलना पड़ता है, शिव सिट डाउन. So the people who are in Christchurch, they must know where we are heading. So here we go. Shiv, look at the place with the lights. Yay! We are going in the plane. So plane में जा रहे हैं. Okay. So look at the turning. शिवा ने हेलो बोला अंकल को. ओके, नमस्ते बोल देना था. नमस्ते कैसे बोलते हैं? नमस्ते 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 ऐसे बोलते हैं.
बोर्ड पे जाना है. शिप
तो ऐसा होता है जब बच्चे के साथ हम घूमने आते हैं. अगेन एवरी 1 सेकेंड के बाद स्टॉप. पापा ये देखो, मम्मा ये देखो. सो आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ लॉन्ग इट्स गोना टेक टू अराइव टू द place where we are going. So but the beauty is very good and it's very warm and sunny day. So I am hoping we're gonna make the most out of the day. Should I jumpy करने लगा? Okay. Your favorite thing is a jumpy. Let's do that. 1, 2, and go. So here is Prab coming back after withdrawing the money from the ATM. So you guys need to mind when you are coming here in the Diamond Harbour for the trip, you guys need to keep the cash to pay the tickets. Either you need to have that thing, the metro card, like so the metro card at the big ship. Here it is, just waiting for us to board in. Oh, Danish! Oh, Vidhi! So I was expecting we are going in this big ship, but probably saying we are going in this small tiny ship. That's not fair. We are in the ship, but we don't know where it is going because probably didn't check where we are going. So this is gonna be the suspense because I was thinking we were going to the Harbour Christchurch thing, but looks like we don't know where we are going. So we need to check with somebody where this ship is going. Do you know where this ship is going? Guys, look at my son. He just wanna jump outside and look at the other kids. They just are so fine, but my son, you guys know, like the Indian Jataputar are very naughty. In the ship, we are here, arrived very soon. So where is my husband? So we are, guys, the Diamond Harbour place. So I'm just looking to the information board, and I think myself, Prab and Shivai can go only number 1, and probably number 2 head to head walk away because number 3 is 3.5 hours one-way walk, which is kind of impossible for us. So let's see, and yes, let's see and see and see. So I'm just going to the upstairs. So calm and relaxing here. So I think Mahatma Gandhi the statue lag raha with the kid. Should I walk कर रहा? Oh wow. Guys, so there is another advice for the parents. like us just bring the stroller, which we didn't bring because otherwise you guys have to deal with their tantrums. So I think it's a really recommended get the stroller, which we didn't. Yes, so yeah, so it says to ferry via steps, which looks very hard for me via steps, but still let's managing. So look at this statue. I just don't know what he is just showing, but I think he's just trapped. So yeah, looks sad, but okay, we will leave you here. So the hands, so yeah, it looks like he is. So I think our first stop is gonna be the ice cream stop because husband and my son is already feeling hungry and thirsty, so they're gonna have the ice cream before even we start our walk. So let's go and eat ice cream. This is the Diamond Harbor Eatery and Bar where Shiva is gonna have his ice cream with Papa Prop because they are the one who's always hungry. So the crowd. Shiva, what you gonna eat today? Pink ice cream. Give me to Mama. Mama finish? Mama wait kare. Bye. There is a library center, medical center, playing fields, which is right there. So guys, you can see here there are few places in the Diamond Harbor. This is really nice small town, which is beautiful, and I think the best thing about this place is for the residents. Look, the residents is like they have a really nice view just in front of their windows, so that's so good, especially in the night time when you feel so much, you know, romantic, and there is such a nice view you can see right there. Taking rest now because it's really it was really sunny day. So Shiva is also taking rest. So yes, there is so beautiful day. It's very sunny, so we are tired.
Love you.
Yay, हाथों में Now guys, look at the view. It is just mind-blowing and so much amazing. So look at this beautiful day with beautiful going back to the ship now. It's windy, you can see from my heels. That's why I tied up my heels because it's very windy right now. But it's beautiful. There is a lot of fun, I would say, to be here. And here is my husband. So here she's gonna jump. 1, 2, 3. So here we are to the Christchurch gondola place, but unfortunately it's so windy today and they have shut down the place. So we may have to, you know, come later on, maybe tomorrow or day after. So let's continue this vlog for another day. So till then, bye bye, and hopefully you guys enjoyed my vlog so far, and bye bye, take care, see you next time.